How to draw the human body in perspective. Like that? No, then watch this video. Hi guys, my name is Mubin, and today I want to teach you how to draw the human body in perspective. Let's go. Well, first we look at the body of a character. Then we draw lines for the shoulder, the end of the chest, the end of the upper body, the knee, and the end of the leg. We also draw a vertical line from the middle of the body to determine the direction of the body. The closer we draw our lower body lines, well, we have high-angle body, which makes lower body look smaller because they are further away. You might wonder why I drew the lines curved. Well, it's simple, because we're drawing a 3D object. Conversely, the closer we draw the lines of our upper body, the more we have a body at a low angle, and the lines should definitely curve upwards. If you're having trouble drawing a 3-sides view, apply the same rules as before. Just draw a curved vertical line to understand the direction of the body, and you'll have a 3-sides view of the body. Oh, and here's an important tip. Take a screenshot and use it for practice. If you're having trouble matching the eyes, be sure to watch this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.